In our continued war on blank page syndrome, we are going to be demonstrating the next tool in the KrisAI Idea Generator arsenal, and that is the Topic Generator. For those who may not be aware, a lot of business owners suffer from blank page syndrome, which is the internet version of stage fright. And we are going to stamp that out in today's video. We are now in KrisAI's dashboard, and we're just going to click on the Topic Generator tool right here on the screen. It auto-populated with our hyperdrive pre-fills. We have a whole video talking about that particular feature. Now, I am using Bubba's Barbecue as the example. That is a great barbecue place that my wife and I went to when we were traveling up the east coast of the United States, visiting a lot of different barbecue restaurants. They are located over in Charlotte, North Carolina. It is fantastic. It was actually the first place that I experienced the thin, vinegary North Carolina style, East North Carolina style barbecue sauce. So the tool is very, very simple, right? So the idea generator or the topic generator, just you put in your business name, you put in your industry, and then it will attempt to give you some different topics about your business. All right, so let's go ahead and demonstrate that now. Okay, so how we came up with our business name, what's so special about Bubba's Barbecue, the food we serve, our best recipes, our secrets for good barbecue, right? Those are all topics that you could cover like on a Facebook page, in a series of tweets or like a tweet thread. So you've got how we came up with our business name, right? That's a little bit more of like the history of your business, right? You're connecting with your audience on a different level. You're not promoting the marketing of your products, right? Or your food. Instead, you're telling a little bit about the history. You're giving a little bit more humanity to your business. What's so special about Bubba's Barbecue? That would actually be a really cool opportunity to use customer testimonials, right? Maybe some reviews that you got on Google, things like that. Just talking about the food you serve, best recipes, and the secrets for good barbecue, right? Because the people that are following you, your audience, are barbecue enthusiasts. Some of those people like to make their own barbecue at home too, and you might be able to give them some tips so that they can improve their barbecue game at home. Next up on the list, we got why Bubba's Barbecue has been popular for years, how we started and what we've learned since, why we're growing our business, how to get your customers back, and some of our tips for success, right? And some of these can give you, like this one right here is kind of a cool idea, that how to get your customers back. I don't know if you remember, but a long time ago, Domino's had a terrible reputation, Domino's Pizza. And they actually did this really awkward ad campaign where they basically owned it. They're like, our pizza was terrible and we are now fixing it. And they went on like this apology tour. It was a very interesting ad campaign. And so hopefully your business isn't in that situation, but if it were, you could use like that as a little case study, right? So some cool things. All right, so this next one is really more about like food trucks. So if your business has a food truck like aspect to it, like you do catering via food truck or something like that, then these ideas might be very helpful for you. And what I think is cool about this is when you're running a business like a restaurant, and maybe you have kind of like a little side hustle business of like, you know, renting out your food truck to do an event, right? That may not be at the top of your mind. And so this can help surface some of those kinds of ideas. I've seen numerous restaurants, some of them huge chains, right? Like Olive Garden, Carrabba's. A lot of them will actually do catering. And it's not really a large aspect of their marketing, right? It's kind of an afterthought. And so if that is a good way for you to generate profit in your business, right? If renting out your food truck is super profitable, it would benefit you to market that more, right? And then moving on, we've got these ones are a little bit kind of out of left field. So it starts out how Bubba's got started. You can order Bubba's Barbecue anywhere in the world. So I doubt that, but maybe if you are a large chain or something like that, then you can make a claim like that, right? How we can't live without Bubba's, right? We're getting a little bit more dramatic, but it's a little fun and quirky, right? So it might be kind of a way for you to change the tone in your marketing a little bit, make it a little more fun. 10 things we love about Bubba's, and that would be a really cool way to create kind of a series of posts on social media or via email or things like that. How to order Bubba's Barbecue, right? So it's just some basic stuff. You can advertise the different ways that people can order from you, right? Right now, it's really huge that people will be able to order through like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmates, and a ton of other ones, right? So how to make Bubba's Barbecue at home, right? So maybe You might sell some of your stuff to go, right? Where you have like refrigerated things that you can take home. So you might want to advertise that and tell people how to do it best. What's the best way to reheat your food? What is Bubba's secret sauce? And why Bubba's is the best barbecue in town, right? So finishing strong there. Anyways, this is another great way to get lots of topic ideas about your business so that you don't run out of things to say and you can stamp out that blank page syndrome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.